If you're caring for baby mice that have lost their mother, you'll need to feed them some kind of formula, such as human baby formula, kitten formula, or raw goat milk. Warm the formula slightly before feeding it to the mice. Use an eyedropper or syringe to feed the babies one small drop at a time until their bellies are nice and round. For the first week of life, baby mice need to eat 6 to 8 times a day. Each week, reduce the number of feedings slightly until they are eating 3 times a day at 4 weeks. After feeding the mice, use a cotton swab or your finger to lightly massage their private parts and encourage them to pee and poop. At 3 to 4 weeks, start offering them moistened rodent pellets to start the weaning process. Keep your baby mice in a cage with a solid bottom lined with rodent-safe bedding. And make sure that bedding is clean. Place it in a warm room and keep the temperature between 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 32 degrees Celsius.